They don't call me Auntie Zoe. I refuse to be the Zoe and Aunt. I refuse. I'm gonna see. Find me. We here at Coney Island. I saw this shit. I don't know. Look how these seagulls. Let me see. I can't help this one. I ain't trying to be a fake one. Hey, it's gliding. Keep the glide. Learn it from the conquer the primitive show. Keep the glide. These shits is fearless. See how they just walk in formation? They fearless. Let me see if I can attack it. See? This shit don't give a fuck. They just cruising on the floor. They're like, uh-oh, squat up. I'm gonna learn about these seagulls. Salmon! See what they answer to. Uh-oh, baby. I like it. I like the feet in bed. Waka flocka, that's pretty. Make a nice little. I don't know. I feel like I would do a paintbrush. I would use acrylic. I don't know oils. I would do acrylic. And I tell you, they be trying to send me to the mental hospital, or they be trying to tell me to rest different. I have to do this art stuff. I'm trying not to go in the water. Because to me, it's fashion. They could be some Vision 040. Shut up. Watch people try to back ride. They some heavy hitters. Got relative. Shout out to the Scorpios, my sister's mama. Shout out to them. Some of them know they gotta cut off the stinger so they don't injure me. They go into lioness mode. The cub, I'm the cub. Dang, it's like breaking free from Manhattan. Hey, I'm not that country. I live in Texas and Virginia. I wonder if I get some Cali shots. See, I'm not gonna bother. Let me see what else we can probably go to this truth. Got the black-head birds and the seagulls. See if I can hover over it. I do wreck shit. I ain't gonna. Let's go, happy feet. And they go a pigeon. I ain't know pigeons come to the beach. What, they gonna feast on the same thing? I be hounding these. I have to hound the pigeon. I'm sorry. Because they get domesticated. See, they don't know when to. No. If it's not a retreat, what is it called? I don't know yet. We learning together. Seagulls be on watch. Look at seagulls on watch. And that rock. Seagulls on watch. I remember when I wanted a frog before dogs. I don't know. Ask my mama. She know what who she raised. Ask my father. He know who he raised. He could be in and out of our lives, but he still follow. I went too far from my doggone purse. Like I ain't gonna get robbed in Brooklyn. What is it? Do or die, bad style. Brooklyn don't run. We run stuff. I ain't gonna lie. I was in Crown Heights. I lived in Crown Heights. Oh, look at this little. Somebody ruffled this bird. Who ruffled you? Now you don't want to answer my question. I got caught up in the wave. Look how bboy music. They think I'm.
There's no way that the crowd can sit down.
What in my ear? Let's see if I can do this. It's finished. I like that song. Back up. Trying to work on some b-boy stuff. I ain't from the Bronx.